Thank you. I now give the floor to the Agency for Human Rights Agency.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nigeria's reply at the 31st session, meeting 41, because of the massacre of a religious minority in Zaria, December 2015, proposed answers while confessing to the crime. The minority group did not block the Chief of Army Staff's convoy, nor do they need or use weapons other than reason, civility, and divine revelations. The road blockage was a false flag operation against the religious minority. How can the killing of over 1,000 citizens of a country within a day by its army be justified? The murdered unarmed minority were on the process of performing their religious rituals. The inhuman action by the Nigerian army violates Article 2 of the Convention on the Prevention and Combating the Crime of Genocide. Mr. President, the Council should not stay silent. It should take serious steps, including the following. 1. Supporting the victims, and 2, for exposing human rights violations related corruptions and crimes in Nigeria. Finally, you are all invited to a side panel for addressing a theme: Nigerian Army is the real Boko Haram. Thank you all.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of Nigeria. You have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Normally, Nigeria will not dignify the Speaker of the Human Rights Agency with a response, but I want to throw clarity to what he spoke about. We feel compelled to take the floor after the right of the statement by the Human Rights Agency. We will state again that there is no iota of truth in the statement the person that spoke for Human Rights Agency made with regards to Zaria in Nigeria. He started by talking about a group. He didn't mention the name, and he's saying that the Nigerian military is Boko Haram. The Nigerian military is not Boko Haram. The incident that occurred in Zaria was a product of brazen disregard for constituted authority and impunity in the face of the law. How can a group of people belonging to a sect, the Shia sect, block the process of the law, block roads, prevent the Chief of Staff, the Army Staff, and his convoy from aggressing and passing through a normal public road in the course of performing lawful duties? We reaffirm to this Council that the leader of the sect has been known to operate a parallel administration with impunity in the face of the law in Zaria and virus. The brazen disregard for constitutional authority on the day in question, the sect barricaded streets and prevented the convoy of the Chief of Army Staff from passing through the public road. We believe that constitutional authority would not normally tolerate this. Even at that, attempts were made by the convoy to make the sect see reason and clear the road because it was a public place. It was the sect that fired shots at the convoy of the Nigerian army, and the Nigerian army had to defend itself. The sect has been known to have stored series of unlicensed sophisticated weapons in buildings, places of worship, and in the bush. The bravado of the movement led it into replacing the Nigerian flag with a foreign flag. This, we know that their actions are politically motivated because we feel the hands of another country in the actions of this group. In every sane and decent society, to disrespect or disregard the country's flag amounts to a high disregard for constituted authority. It is treason. The Zaria crisis was purely the culmination of an impunity taken too far and a clear example of violent extremism, which must be stopped and nipped in the bud. There is evidence of this on video.
Muchas gracias.